Hi, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I am going to show you how to add sounds to Discord. So if you want to make your server more fun and expressive, this video will help you do that easily. Step 1. Open Discord and navigate to Server Settings by clicking your server name in the top left corner, then selecting Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where all your important server options are located, including sound controls. Step 2. Look at the left sidebar inside Server Settings and click on the Soundboard option. This is the tool that allows you to add custom sounds which members can play during voice chats. Step 3. Click the Upload Sound button, then click Browse on your computer and select the sound file you want to use. Make sure your file is saved and easy to find before uploading to save time. Step 4. Customize your sound by typing a name, choosing an emoji, adjusting the volume, and trimming the beginning or end if necessary. Remember that the sound should be under 5 seconds and around 512 kilobytes so it uploads smoothly without errors. Step 5. Click the blue Upload button to finalize everything. Your sound will now appear in the server soundboard, and members can play it during voice conversations instantly. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tech guides.